Alright, now Samsung has finally started rolling out the One UI 8 stable release for the Galaxy S23 series. I've got the S23 Ultra here and I'm here in India, and many other countries have already got this update. For some reason, it got delayed here in India. Now, by the way, not many YouTubers are covering the S23 series, but I thought there are many viewers on this channel who still rock a Galaxy S23 series. So if you're one of those, do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Now in today's video, let's dive in and take a look at this update here. And let's also see how is the device performing after the update. Now let me just go to the settings here and tap on software update and tap on download and install. Here is the update. Now I was on beta version, so this is the beta closure notice here. It says we are very grateful to all of you for positive and active participation in One UI beta program. With the release of the official version, the beta test has ended. After completion of the beta test, we are not going to release any new beta software. We are no longer going to provide any official reply to your opinion about beta model or beta app. Feedback for beta error ends. You cannot access the beta detail page menu, including the beta community. Now, if you have been on beta, then you will see this change log and you will get an update which is close to around 400 MB, 393.73 MB to be precise. And you can see the Android version 16, One UI version 8, version number ends with EYI5, and the security patch, for some reason it's still September 2025. We did not get the October patch yet, so it might take a couple of more weeks to get the October patch. Now if you're not on the beta program, then you will be getting a huge update of somewhere close to 3.5 to 4 GB. That'll also have the change log. The entire list of changes and new features will be available right here on the change log. But if you're on beta, you will not get that change log here. You would have got it on the first beta release itself. Now what we're going to do is we are going to resume the download and install it. Now the update is downloaded. Let's go ahead and install this. I will come back to you guys in a bit. Alright, now the phone has been updated. Let's quickly go to the settings here. Software update, last update, as you can see, this is One UI 8. Now let's go ahead and open a few applications and see how is the animation, how is the device performing, whether there is any stutters or lag. Let's start with the quick panel first. As you can see, no stutters here at all. Notification panel. Now let's open a couple of applications here. Phone app, camera, messages, clock app, Play Store, InShots. Let's go to recents. It's buttery smooth, no issues at all. Let's go close a couple of applications here. Let's close all. No stutters or no lags whatsoever. Now, let me tell you what you need to do after updating your Galaxy S23 series to One UI 8. The first thing you need to do is go to the Galaxy Store and check for the updates here. You will see a bunch of updates available for all the applications. We have got the updates for Tips, ARDoodle, Samsung Pass, autofill with Samsung Pass, authentication framework, Knox Matrix, which is important, automatic verification. We've got Notistar, One Hand Operation Plus, GoodLock, Camera Assistant. If some of these applications on GoodLock are not working, then after this update, it should be working on your S23 series. Now let's go ahead and update all of them. We also have an update for One UI Home. This is the latest version of One UI Home we have got on the S23 series now. Let me just show you the version number here. It's 17.0.06.1. This is the latest version, and the rest of the applications are also getting updated here. Now, the second thing you need to do is go to the settings, tap on security and privacy, tap on updates. Now here, check for Google Play System update. Let's see if there is anything latest available here. Currently, we have it for July. Now, we don't have any new updates here. It is still July Google Play System update. Now, let me tell you that we do not have the Now Brief feature on the S23 series. If I go to the Edge panel here, I can't see Now Brief available here. So Now Brief has been skipped. And the reason which I see on the internet is that the Now Brief requires a lot of AI processing and the chipset may not support, is what many are claiming, but I'm not very sure about that. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think Now Brief should be made available officially for the S23 series or not? Drop a comment. Now, I do not want to discuss about all the new features for the S23 series here, but what I'll do is I will add my previous video where I have discussed all the new features of One UI 8.0 on the Galaxy S25 series. More or less all those features are available on the S23 series as well. So let's dive right into the feature. Now the next important AI improvement Samsung has done is on the AI Select feature. Now when we tap on AI Select, we don't really have to wait for the AI Select to get activated. We can directly draw something on the screen or select a portion of the screen instantly as soon as you activate it. Earlier, we had to wait for the AI Select to get activated. Now you see, I just activate the AI Select feature and I can select the portion of the screen right here. So that's another improvement we have. The next cool feature Samsung has added is inside the gallery application. Let's open gallery here. Let me open a specific video. Now when I play this video in video player, as you can see, we get the audio eraser option right over here. Now with one tap, I can just erase the noise in the background, which is a pretty useful feature especially for someone who shoot a lot of content for social media applications. All you need to do is open a specific video in the video player and you will get this audio eraser button automatically right here at the bottom right. Just tap on that. It will erase the noise. Now let me show you a brand new clock option that we've got on the lock screen. This is called Adaptive Lock Screen Clock. When we go to the customization options here on the lock screen, when you tap on the clock, you can see this is the brand new clock we have. When I select this, it will get adjusted to the wallpaper, especially on the portrait wallpapers. You can see when I move this, it changes its shape and size and it looks pretty awesome, right? So this gets automatically adjusted. It'll adapt to the subject on the wallpaper. So that's a brand new clock that we have got. And on the lock screen, when you go to the wallpaper section, you will see this brand new feature. We have got suggestions here with this cool animation. We've got suggested images right here. Let me tap on this. You can see all these images are suggested by AI within the phone. And if you want to go to the gallery, you can tap on this, or you can go to recent favorites, videos and downloads. But the suggested images are available right here. They will appear here. With just one tap, you can go to these images and select the one that you like. Now that's another new feature that we have. Now in the wallpaper section, we have got a couple of additional wallpapers under colors here. You can see these are dynamic wallpapers. You can choose the one you want. It changes its color throughout the day. As you can see, it is shifting the color, and we have got this beautiful gradient effect, which look really cool. Next, we now have Google Finance option for your live notifications or the now bar. Let's go to the settings. Let's go to the lock screen and AOD and tap on now bar. You can see this is the live notifications, and we have got Google Finance right here, which is enabled by default. And if you want to customize what you want to see on the Google Finance page, you can go to Google Finance settings, and here you can select the stocks or the indexes that you want to follow. And once you do that, you will get the suggestions right there on your lock screen, on the live notifications on the home screen, as well as on the now bar, which is a pretty cool feature. Next, we have got a brand new quick share here. Let me show you this. Let me select a couple of images here, and I will tap on share and tap on quick share. You can see we have got a brand new quick share page here. We've got receive and send buttons. Tap on receive buttons to receive your files, and here it says ready to receive. We have got this cool animation in the background, and we have got this send page here. This is where you can see the files that you have selected. It will also show you the total size of those files that you have selected. And then we have got the suggested devices right here. So this is a brand new sharing page that we have on One UI 8. Next, on Samsung Notes, we can now add sticky notes within a note. Let me show you this. As you can see, this is a new note. Now, if I want to add a sticky note, all I need to do is tap on this plus button, and this is where you will see sticky note option. Tap on that. This is the sticky note on which you can write here, and you can also change the colors if you want. Yeah, here we go. We've got a few color options, and you can just type anything you want and you can shrink it right here, and this note will be available right here. Now, let me just do this again. Let me just type something here, and I'll shrink this. As you can see, it's available right here. You can just press it and hold on it and drag it anywhere you want. Tap on it to open it. So this is a brand new feature on Notes which Samsung has added on the One UI 8.0. Next, inside the Files application, now you can see this is the brand new interface we have got. All the categories are right here on the top, and when I tap on Downloads, now we will be able to easily find the downloaded items here, because we now have categories here. We have got Chrome, iMobile, DigiLocker, Drive, Gmail, Samsung Notes, Galaxy Enhance X, Samsung Wallet. We can tap on the item that we want to search in. For example, let's say I want to search some files within Galaxy Enhance X. Let me tap on this. you can see the Enhance X folder will open up right here. Now let's say I want to check some downloads from Chrome. I can tap on Chrome and then see which are the items that I've downloaded from Chrome. So this is another new feature. Next, we have got Samsung Internet, which has been redesigned. When you tap on the menu button here, you can see this is a brand new layout and this can be customized as well. Next, let's open Calculator. Now you can see this is the basic calculator we have. And when we go to the landscape mode here, let me just go to the landscape mode. As you can see, we've got scientific calculator right over here on the left that has been added on One UI 8. Now let's check out the multitasking feature. Let's open a couple of applications here. Let's say Files and Gallery. Now let me go to the Recents application, tap on Gallery and tap on Open in Split Screen View. Now you can push one application against the edge of the screen to keep it partially visible while giving most of your focus to the other application. Let me show you this. You can see we now have almost about a 10 by 90 split here. And when we push it towards the bottom, you can see 10 by 90. We can clearly see what is there on this particular section, this window. And if you want to resize it, we can do that as well. But now on One UI 8, we can push it all the way till here with just about 10% of the other window and 90% of the main window that you can see. And you can just tap on this smaller app here to switch between them. As you can see, it's very easy to switch between these two applications now when you are multitasking. Next, we have got a brand new reminder application. As you can see, this is the new reminder app we have. The layout has changed. It has actually improved. We have got the categories on the top. Then we've got some reminders here. You can tap on this arrow button if you want to shrink it. And then we also have some suggestions. And then we have got this add reminder button right here. When you tap on that, you will be able to see all these options right here on this bar. You have got calendar, we have got maps, we have got the gallery, and we have got this option here where we can see all the categories. Now that was quite different on the previous version, but now everything is here in the bottom half of the screen, which is very, very accessible as well. Now let's open the brand new calendar application. Now on calendar application, we'll be able to easily create the reminders as well. Let me tap on plus button here. As you can see, we have got event and reminder section right here. You can switch between them, and while creating an event, you can also create a separate reminder here. That reminder will also show up on the reminder application. So these two applications are integrated. And now it's very easy to add the events as well. You can see these suggestions right here. And you can also see while typing something, you get these reminders which are already saved, and you get the time suggestions as well. So that's the brand new calendar application we have. Next, inside the camera application, we have got a very nifty feature here. We can now access quick controls in camera applications even quicker. For that, you need to go to the settings, and here on settings, just scroll down. You will see this option, swipe preview up or down. Here, select open quick controls. Now this is not available by default. This is a new feature. Now when you swipe up on the screen, you get to access the quick controls right here. Swipe down, it will go back to the zoom options. Swipe up, it will switch back to the quick controls here. That's a new one. Next, on Pro Video and Photo mode, Samsung has added the exposure monitor. As you can see, this button here, this is the exposure monitor. It'll show you the exposure while shooting on the Pro and Photo mode. And of course, we do have the log video option. When you go to the settings and tap on advanced video options, you'll be able to see the log option here, but you can select it for the regular video mode also. When you tap on that, you will get Pro Video mode only option or video and Pro Video modes. If you're a creator, if you shoot videos in log format, then this is going to be very useful. Next, we've got quick access to Galaxy Buds settings. Let me just connect the Galaxy Buds over here on the phone. As you can see, I got the pop-up here. Let me just connect it. And now when I go to the settings, now it's connected. I'll go to the settings here. You can see Notes Buds 2 is showing up right here on the settings menu. We can just tap on this to get a quick access. It's downloading the software, the Galaxy Buds 2 Manager, and here we go. We'll be able to quickly access it right from the settings menu. You just tap on the settings and tap on the Buds option. You will directly go here. Rather than going to the wearable application, you can access it right from the settings here. Next, we can now easily connect to Auracast Broadcast. Let's go to the settings here. Let me just search for Auracast. Here we go. This is the brand new page you're going to see. And here, Auracast allows you to broadcast audio from one device to multiple listening devices at the same time. It's now easier to connect to Auracast Broadcast by simply scanning a QR code. So for that, you need to start the broadcast, and then you will see invite nearby person using QR code. Just tap on that and you get this QR code. The other person can scan it and join your broadcast. That's a pretty nifty feature we have got. Next, we have got Enhanced Secure Folder. Now I have made a dedicated video about this new secure folder feature. Let me just add that clip over here. You can continue watching this video. I have discussed this in detail. Before we dive in, if you're interested in these beautiful looking home screen wallpapers, these are available on Wallverse application. We have recently added them. Go ahead and check out the link in the description. There are some amazing collections available on the wallpaper application. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and do hit the like button. Let's reach at least 1,000 likes for this video. That motivates me to come up with more and more contents for you guys. Now let's dive right into the video. Now the secure folder in One UI 7 and One UI 8 both provide an encrypted separate space on a Samsung Galaxy device to store private files, photos, and applications. However, One UI 8 introduces a fundamental change in its underlying architecture for enhanced security. While One UI 7 secure folder was built on Android's work profile, One UI 8 shifts to using Android's more modern private profile. This is a significant difference because the work profile in One UI 7 had a known vulnerability where some system components like the Google Photo Picker could still reveal the presence of applications and media within secure folder to a user with physical access. Now, by transitioning to the private profile, One UI 8 addresses and patches the security flaw, making it more difficult for external applications or system tools to peek into the secure enclave. That is the first major improvement Samsung has made on the secure folder application. The next major usability and security enhancements in One UI 8 secure folder is the separation of biometrics data. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra on One UI 7. This is the S25 Ultra with One UI 8 running on it. Let's open secure folder application. I've already unlocked the folder, so it is not asking me to key in the password. Now let's go to the secure folder settings over here. Now on top, we've got secure folder lock and biometric types. Let me just tap on this. Now here I'll have to key in the password. I just unlocked it. Now you can see we have got PIN, password, pattern, and then we have got fingerprints. Now on the Galaxy S24 Ultra running on One UI 7, we can only enable or disable fingerprints here. I can't register a new fingerprint, which means the phone is using the default fingerprint which is set on the lock screen for the secure folder as well. If you had a fingerprint registered for your device's lock screen, that same fingerprint could automatically be used to unlock the secure folder. But the One UI 8 changes this by requiring you to register a separate and distinct set of fingerprints, and we have got that option right here under biometrics. Let me tap on this. Now it is no more a toggle. Now we can tap on that and unlock this. And now we can continue to add a separate fingerprint for the secure folder. Now let's say somebody at your home has got the fingerprint access to your phone. They will not be able to access your secure folder using the same fingerprint if you have set a separate fingerprint on the secure folder on One UI 8. But on One UI 7, we do not have that option. If you're using the fingerprint for the secure folder, your secure folder can be unlocked using the same fingerprint which is used for locking your phone. And this is a very important change that Samsung has made. Now we can set different fingerprints. You don't really have to go with a PIN or a password. You can just create a separate fingerprint to access your secure folder, which is just brilliant. Now let's move on to the next feature. Let's tap on the three dot button here. You can instantly notice we have got some additional options here. The first one is hide applications. Yes, now we will be able to hide applications within the secure folder. Now let me tap on hide applications here. As you can see, just for the purpose of this video, I have hidden some of the applications here. Now, if I don't want them to be hidden, I can just remove this from here, from this list, and tap on done. Now you can see all those applications are showing up here. So this gives you an extra layer of security on the secure folder. Even if somebody accesses your secure folder, some of the apps will be hidden. Unless they know how to see the hidden applications, they will not be able to access those applications here. So that is an extra layer of security that we have. Now let's look at the next interesting and useful feature. Let's go to the settings on One UI 7 and One UI 8 as well. We're on the secure folder settings. Now here we've got something called other security settings. Let me tap on that. And now here you can see we've got a brand new toggle here. Show secure folder applications in share panel. Apps installed in secure folder will appear when you share things, even when sharing from apps not in secure folder. And this toggle is not available on One UI 7. Now let me show you the feature here. Now let's go to the gallery. Now here, let's say I'm going to share a few files. I'll select a few files here and here as well. Now let me tap on share. Now I'll tap on share on One UI 7. Now here you can see the difference. We've got separate secure folder panel right here. We've got personal and secure folder panels both on One UI 8. Let me tap on this. Now, if you want to share these images through any applications which are within the secure folder, you can do that as well. Now you can see the quick share which is within secure folder. I can use that to share these files, or I can share it from my personal account. So we've got a separate secure folder panel here now on One UI 8, which is not available on One UI 7. Now those are the features which are available on the S25 series, S24 series, and the same will be available on the S23 series as well. So go ahead, enjoy the latest features on One UI 8.0 on the S23 series. That's all I have here. Hope you have already downloaded our wallpaper application Wallverse. If you have not done it yet, go ahead and download it. We have added almost about 20 new wallpapers here, 10 in the free section and 10 in the premium section here. So go ahead, download the application, and do not forget to rate it 5-star on Play Store. I would really appreciate that. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.